Hey you everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Official Keen Reacts. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So I'm back again to react to one of my favorite Indonesian singer. She goes by the name of Putri Ariani. She's one of the most beautiful, also talented and outlandish singers of all time. Big up to all Indonesians who are out there. Many love. I love y'all so much. You people are very kind and supportive. Alright, my people. So right now I'll be checking out HUNTR X Golden Putri Ariani cover live performance at the Formula One Singapore Grand Prix 2025. So guys, I'm excited for this one. With that being said, let's see what's up. Let's see what I go on. Peace.
Let's dance together with the song. Let's sing it together, everybody. Come on, hand tricks. I was a ghost, I was alone. Ha, so watching. Ha, cause again. Given a throne, I didn't know how to believe I was the queen that I meant to be. I lived your life, trying to play both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. Called a problem child, cause I got too wild, but now that's how I'm getting paid. Cause I see on stage, I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We dreaming hard, we came so far, now I believe we're going up, it's so we're moving. Gonna be glowing, gonna be golden. Oh, voices, you wanna get it surrounded. Gonna be golden. Oh, I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. Oh, I want time more, there's no night that's who we're born to be. Waited so long to break these walls down, to wake up and feel like me. But this pattern's slowly to pass now, and finally live like the girl they all see. No more hiding, I'll be shining like I'm born to be. Cause me, a hunter's voice is strong, and I know I believe we're gonna it's so we're moving. Gonna be glowing, gonna be golden. Oh, voices, you wanna get it surrounded. Gonna be golden. Oh, I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. Oh, I want time more, there's no lies, that's who we're born to be. You know we're gonna be golden. We're gonna be born to be glowing. But give me minute, you know that it's our time. No fears, no lies, that's who we're born to be.
That was incredible, bro. You see, she's practically blind. And you know, one of the reasons why I respect Pooch Ariane is that she's blind, bro. And she's playing the drums as if she can see. She's playing the drums as if she's actually can see what is been taking place. She's playing the drum than someone who can literally can see and can play drum, bro. She's talented. She's impressive, bro. Right? And compliments on her vocals. Her vocals are very, very sharp. You know, it's bright enough, it's crispy, it's clean. Or this plainly look, it's heavenly, bro. Right? And the way how she delivers that song, the way how she's composed, but yet still professional, says a lot. She speaks volume. She speaks professionalism. Right? And she's a true art in the artwork. She's a great artist, and what she depicts on that stage was immaculately golden. No pun intended. Bro, I've known Putri in like, couple of years now. I've encountered her. I believe it's 3 years now, I think I've encountered her. And every time I sit and I, listen to one of her music or to observe her perform, she never disappoints. She's always on point. She's always delivering. She's always giving the performance the golden buzz. She's a top buzzer, bro. And from the America's Got Talent, this woman never drops form. She's always spreading her wings as if she's a falcon. She's always sharply paying attention as if she's the eagle. She's unstoppable, bro. She's unstoppable. And big up to all the Indonesian who supports her. I am gonna support this woman as long as I can because she's the one that needs our support. Her music is immaculate. And everything she does is literally immaculate as well. Very good one, Poetry. That was enjoyingly amazing. You've done a superb job. That was well done, Putri. I'm proud of you. As a Jamaican, I'm proud of you. Your music speaks volume, and that's gonna be like a long-lasting, substantial music. You're gonna be that musician that everyone will remember as a historical musician, and it's happening now, and it will always happen as long as we know you as a great musician. So, people, thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, telling him or her about me, the Jamaican Reactor. And you guys, if you guys want to support this channel, the GoFundMe link is pinned down in the description. If you guys enjoy this reaction, the GoFundMe link is pinned down in the description. Thanks for watching. See you guys around. Well done, Putri. That was magnificent.